Check out this air duster I have here. It's a fearless air duster. It says confidence in every switch. Here's how to operate this thing. Just push that power button right there. Hold it down. And then when you want to operate it, you just push that button right there. It has a few different speeds. Turn it off. Comes with a Type-C USB connector, and the USB goes, Type-C just goes right there. And you have a whole bunch of different nozzles for this thing too, which is really nice. There's some little slots in there that these things just pop into. To take these on and off, it's just to push it on and twist, put it back in, twist to the right. This gets down in those little small areas. Put that one off. Got some other ones like this here, there. You can get down in some nice different creviced areas with each of these different types of tips on there too. So you don't have to kill the power if you want to turn it off. You can just hold this button down too. So you can just turn it on like that, and then turn it off. Hold it down, it turns off. When it's charging, you see that green icon right there, that little lightning, that means it's charging up. Then the other nice feature on this is it has a light right there. Just double click the power button. See, that light turns on. It's really nice to have. It's nice and bright. And then to turn it off, double click it off. All right, I got this one on there. I'm gonna go do a little cleaning with it. All right, overall, really happy with this thing. I'm going to use it a lot. Got a lot of uses for this thing. If you don't have one of these, you should get one. Thank you for watching, everybody.